Okay,
I hope you understood what critical thinking is and its importance in life. We can solve our problems by using the powers of thinking.
now invite all the shining stars whose birthday falls in December.
Good morning everyone. My birthday was on 1st December.
My name is Atif and my birthday falls on 31st December.
Good morning everyone. My birthday falls on 6th December.
Good morning everyone, I am Arshit. My birthday was on 3rd December.
I am the Veer and my birthday falls on 16th December.
I am Japsimaran and my birthday falls on 12th December.
My birthday is on 21st December.
I am Pranjal and my birthday is on 18th December.
Good morning my friends. My birthday falls on 19th December. I am Ekam and my birthday falls on 27th December.
I am Jaspreet and my birthday falls on 12th December.
I am Meher and my birthday was yesterday.
I am Samala and my birthday was on 2nd December.
Friends, please do not leave the stage. We have an activity for you. Now I request all the students to hold their hands to perform an activity in a circle. It's okay, beta. Hold hands. Yes, it's okay. Now what you have to do is that without leaving your hands, you have to turn around. You have 1 minute to perform this activity.
You need to turn your positions back, means you need to also just but you need not to leave your hands. You need to hold your hands like this only. Yes. Everyone. You can see, not like this. You need to turn. Critically. Everyone, you need to also turn around, but I can see these two students. No, not now, like this. Alright. Okay, kindly just come back in your same position. Don't leave your hands.
Nobody to leave the hands. Everybody is holding the hands. Thank you. You can go back to your place. Now, I request Hannah ma'am, please come on the stage and motivate us by her motivational words.
Morning, children. Good morning, children. Good morning. You like the assembly today? Yes. So, big round of applause for class 7B and their class teacher, Neetu ma'am. Well done. So, last time when we had assembly, what was the topic? Creativity. So, creative juices were flowing everywhere. And today, they have actually put us in that situation where we have to think that how we have to think out of the box all the times. And such a beautiful activity they just did, where they were all holding their hands. So what we have learned from this activity, that we have to be together all the times, and even when difficult situation is there, everybody was just thinking in that direction, and this is the way they solved the problem and they could do the activity beautifully. So big round of applause. I'm starting from the back today, so we will clap for everybody. So all the children whose birthday is going to fall in this month, so big round of applause. They were also very supportive in doing the activity. So after that, I will just talk about the skit that was there. So skit so beautifully. So what we have learned from this, that we know that our subjects are difficult, but if we understand the logic behind each concept, then things are easy to grasp. So this is what we have to do in our day-to-day life. We have to try to understand the logic behind everything that is happening around us and understand it, and this is the way we have to move forward. So basic purpose is to solve the problems, and we have to solve the problems by understanding them and evaluating it, and this is the way we have to move ahead in life. Then you know that children, nobody was holding any written paper in their hand. So big round of applause that they have learnt each and every script, whatever was given to them, whether these were the quotes that they were reading or otherwise also whatever task was given to them, they have just learnt it by heart and they have presented it. So whether it was the thought for the day or anybody explaining the concept, so they have all learnt it, and this is the way you have to present your assembly. So big round of applause for this class and the topic that was taken by them. So, but audience, I'm not very happy with the people sitting on my left hand side today. Children are still talking. So I would like to call them. Maybe they want to share something with us. Manomay, कुछ no. Dhairya is sitting there. हाँ हाँ आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे थे बेटा? नहीं आप मैं आपसे सुनना चाहती हूँ. आप आओगे एक बार? आ जाओ इधर आओ. ऐसे ही आओ. यहाँ आकर say करेंगे ना? Come. We will say to everybody today. Come. We will tell this to everybody. Everybody should listen to us. Okay? Yes, Dhairya.
I was listening to I was
Come, no problem. You tell everybody, so what? You can tell everyone whatever you were saying.
I was just saying him that Hasad Kalle.
Huh?
I was just saying him that Hasad Kalle.
Was he disturbing you?
No.
Then why were you saying this to him? अभी हमने बात किया ना, critical thinking. We will just think before we speak, and we will always talk logically. Okay, when somebody is talking, we have to pay attention. Okay, that's fine. But you were just constantly speaking when I was talking here. Okay, so my request to everybody is this, that we should pay attention. This is another thing that we need to incorporate. Why we should be concentrating?
To listen everything and get knowledge.
Yes, very good. Big round of applause. This is very good. He understands that why we should be, he understands it. That why we should be listening to the people when somebody is speaking, whether our teachers or elders or anybody, even our friends, when they are speaking, we should listen. So this is very important. Thank you. Okay, thank you children. Wonderful children.
Thank you ma'am for your precious words.
At last, I would like to pay my gratitude to our coordinator, Mrs. Monica, for her kind direction and making our assembly successful.
And our assembly is all success because of Neetu ma'am, and she had put a lot of effort. Thank you Neetu ma'am.